Hi everyone. Just wanted to record a quick note for you to just say I hope you have a great weekend and check in and wish you luck on midterms next week and get you a couple of reminders. So firstly, just a reminder that you are not expected to be on campus at all this semester. So I'm guessing that there won't be all student emails that come out. However, if that happens, I don't want there to be any confusion. There are some students returning to campus after reading week, but you are not expected to be there. So please just don't let any emails confuse you that may come across your desk. We will talk in detail about what to expect when you return to campus in January, but we'll wait until December to do that. You will be entering next week into your final week of operations and maintenance. So the first 7 weeks of that course are online, and the back 7 or the last 7 are in person. So rather than have you come in, one day a week for half of the semester, we're just putting that off until January when you're going to be in Lindsay anyways, so the field time will be made up at that point. The one issue we do foresee though is that your midterm for that course is in week 9, so O&M, and so we've confirmed that you will have access to D2L, so you can write that midterm in week 9. However, your D2L may look different. So what happens when you're no longer officially enrolled in a course is it no longer may be pinned at the top of your D2L page. So I just wanted to take you through the process of finding and pinning that page so that you have access to it in week 9 and you don't go and write your test and think it's gone, because no one wants that sort of panic. So what we're going to do, the easiest way I find to do this is the first thing to do is search for the course. And if you click on these 9 cubes here, then that allows you to select or search. So I have unpinned, I don't have operations and maintenance on my D2L, but I have unpinned forest entomology and pathology so that I can walk you through this process. So what you would do here is just enter the search words. So obviously you're not going to enter forest entomology, you're going to enter operations and maintenance. And then you're going to see, I've been involved with this course for several years. You should only see 2020 fall, but if you happen to see more than one, just make sure you're selecting the proper course. So once you find that, you scroll down to it, and then there's this little pin button, and that's all you have to do is hit that. And then all of a sudden, if you get out of here is forest entomology and pathology pinned again for me. So that is as simple a process as you can get. I would recommend, just making sure that you can do this before you're ready to write your midterm, just so that there are no surprises. Tests are anxiety inducing enough, so we don't want any extra anxiety with that. So hopefully that helps. I will write out the steps to follow in an email for you as well below, so hopefully there's no confusion. But of course, like always, at any point, if you have any questions, please email me anytime. Remember, my office hours are Tuesday from 10 to 11:30, so that's when my WebEx room is always open, but you are not limited to asking me questions then. We can chat at any point. All you have to do is send me an email. I hope you're doing well. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I will talk to you soon.